Hello, my darlings. Welcome. I hope everyone is doing wonderful. Happy New Year and to the new beginning and new happiness and adventure. I am so excited today that I'm part of one of my amazing challenge 5 under 5 hosted by my two amazing friends Emily and Missy and co-hosted by myself. So if you haven't visited Emily's channel, please do so. She's creating beautiful home decor throughout the whole year. And Missy, Crafty Cove, she's creating amazing home decor as well. So please visit their channels, links in my description box, along with the amazing playlist, and co-hosted by myself. I am so excited. So today I'm gonna show you how I created a Let It Snow winter decor for under $25. Wooden reed from Dollar Tree. I'm using these frosted branches also from Dollar Tree, and this is the easiest reed I ever made. So I'm just cutting those branches on little pieces so they can go easily throughout the wooden reed, and that's about it. So just watch me how I made this beautiful winter frosted wreath. Super easy and everybody can do it. Now when the wreath is complete, I'm using one of these canva frame that I purchased long time ago. It was like on super clearance, $9 for 5 of them. And on top of my wreath, I'm adding one of those mini bags from Dollar Tree. I just cut it on half and I'm gonna put it on top of it so I can connect my wreath with the frame. And I got a beautiful farmhouse winter frosted looking frame. For DIY number 2, I'm using a wooden plaque from Home Depot. They gave it to me for free. They had cut out wooden pieces that they don't even use. And I'm using antique wax all over the wooden plaque. And now with a baby wipe, I'm just removing it so I can have that nice dusty rustic wooden look on my plaque, just like that. I have sanded a little bit. Now I'm using the heat gun just to get it dry faster, and now I'm going to use one of those folk art stencils, but they're made out of paper. So in order to stick, I'm just going to use adhesive spray so my color won't bleed throughout the stencil. So after that, I'm gonna use a white paint, chalk paint, and with that sponge, I'm adding it throughout that snowflake. I don't know why I didn't set up the camera right so you guys can see it, but for the second snowflakes, you're gonna see it better. So just like that, I'm doing a little bit of paint and make sure the whole snowflake is covered before I remove the stencil. And now I'm just removing the stencil and see how it looks. And look how pretty. Now for the next one, I'm using a smaller snowflake. Same process with the sponge brush all over. Super cute and easy. So for anyone who have a paper or non-sticky stencils, the secret is adhesive spray. And the color, the paint won't bleed, and look how beautiful it looks. Now to get the touch up, I'm adding a little bit of jute twine around it, and that's about it. This is my beautiful Let It Snow sign. For DIY 3, I'm using those 2 sleighs from Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna use that wooden markers from Dollar Tree as well. When I see for the second wooden marker there is no difference, I just decided to put a Cashew's Waverly chalk paint and make it like a stripe. And this reminds me of the sleigh that my grandpa built for me when I was a little kid, and I had so much fun. For the second sleigh, I'm using a different kind of wooden marker. I'm going all over the sleigh just like that. Super easy. And now I'm just using a window snowflake sticker purchased on clearance, of course. And Mr. Kermit wants to wish you a Happy New Year. And he's so cute. Next, I'm using these barn mini doors from Target Dollar Spot, purchased from $1.50, I believe. And I'm just adding a Cashew's paint on top of them so I can get that rustic farmhouse look, going all over the both doors using a baby wipe, and that's it. And now this is where I'm gonna hang my two sleighs. I added two rustic metallic push pins, and that's it. For DIY number 4, I'm using one of my calendar pages that have a beautiful truck with the snow and barn, and I'm using a round wooden plaque from Dollar Tree. And as usual, if you watch me making my sign, Mod Podge going all over with the roller. Now I'm cutting the round sides so it can match my sign, adding a Mod Podge on top as well. And look how beautiful Let It Snow rusted farmhouse sign it is. And now I'm using a jute twine, making just a simple bow so I can put it on top of it with a glue, adding a button as well for extra look. And look how beautiful. And for my last project, super cute barn house sign from Dollar Tree, painting it with a truffle Waverly chalk paint all over. Super easy, just like that. Very cute. Painting the roof white Waverly chalk paint. It's not a big philosophy of paint. And when all that is done, I'm adding again one of those window stickers where is the snowman having a fun on a sleigh. What a beautiful sign. I'm really loving it. Let me know what do you think. I'm just using the scraper just to make sure that the sticker is well on. Perfect. Adding an extra snowflake on the bottom. And that's about it. Let me know what do you think. And this is the final look for my Let It Snow theme that I made for less than $25. Let me know what do you think. I really had so much fun creating all those creations. I hope I gave you some inspiration for this winter home decor made on a budget and look very high-end. Before I let you go, make sure you watch our playlist with my amazing friends and hosts. And until next time, I'm sending you lots of love, lots of music, positive energy from me to you. Bye-bye!